I am showing it by playing normal video. Double-click here on the layer. Double-clicking will result in each T layer being enlarged in this way by double-clicking. Then after FX you have to right-click and come to time remapping. Then choose the place you want to reverse. I will select the pen tool and lower the line. If we do slow motion, then we have to reduce 100 below 50, then it is better, and if we do speed motion, then we have to increase as much speed as we want to bring above 100. Since I will finish from here, I will select the pen tool again and extend the line. I will cut the video layer along the middle with the eraser tool. I will delete the last bit and right-click Alt-Mouse to get another duplicate layer. From now on I will come to speed duration, select reverse speed and do OK. Thanks for watching this final results video. Subscribe to the channel.